What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the House of Daythree fragrances. So I've heard a lot of good things about this house, so I decided to get myself a discovery set. I was already going to start, well, I already unboxed some of it, but my camera overheated, which is, I guess, normal for me. But yeah, I sprayed one on skin, but I got their discovery set. Got a card that says, Kelwin, thank you and enjoy, by, I think it says Dan. And a sticker, which is pretty cool. All right, so the one I sprayed on skin, and fortunately, it's the one I sprayed on skin. It's probably the only one I was looking forward to smelling, just because from what I've heard, this was like a really good release or whatever. It's gonna be Desert Rain. So, all right, so I mean, I'm honest, right? We're honest here. I'm not trying to talk bad about the brand, but Desert Rain smells like Invictus, where like it smells Invictus-y, like that kind of designer DNA. That's what I get from it. I don't even think it's too special. Let me search it up. Desert Rain by Daythree. I wonder if people say it smells like this in Fragrantica. That's what I get from it. But either way, top notes are cactus blossom, juniper, bergamot, nutmeg, desert rain accord, papyrus, green tea, sage, base notes, woodsy notes, albanium leather, sandalwood. No one else has that. Maybe no one else has really smelled it. Someone says, this is my new obsession, wearing it almost every day. If that's how it smells in Arizona when it rains and I want to move to Arizona, it's a very pleasant scent of bergamot and green tea that blends beautiful with the gorgeous dry out of the leather and sandalwood. 100% blind buy recommend. I get Invictus. Like I don't really see what these guys are talking about. Someone says, this is my favorite from the house. It's this calming fresh scent. The rain accord is so darn good. Then the sandalwood and leather give it depth and dry down, but not leathery in any means. I don't see it. I don't smell any leather. It smells sweet. It smells really designer, to me, at least. But I guess that's how we're starting this video. So, I mean, you're probably already clicking off. You're already commenting in the comments, telling me I'm dumb. But it's what I get. So let's go ahead and open this. We'll just go on the order that these have come out, and I'll go ahead and spray it on the card that they provided. So this one is Escandelo. Little boozy, like a mojito type of thing. Daythree. Nope, it's probably like guava. So top notes are guava, limetta, ginger. Middle notes: rose, damai, daisy, jasmine, sambac, organox, and vetiver, and oud. Let me go ahead and spray this one on skin. This one actually smells kind of nice in here. Okay, so yeah, definitely on skin you get more of the guava note. You know what we could do, keep this organized, is I could put this in here while after I spray, which works out. I don't get any oud. Yeah, guava, lime. I don't know, well, limetta I'm assuming is lime. You get like a rose, yeah. This is pretty good. I wouldn't buy a bottle of it though, but I still think it's pretty good. This is, all right, next one's gonna be Delmare. I got Blue Chanel on the back of my hand. Salty. Yeah, beachy. Sunscreen kind of. Yeah, sunscreen. A little salty. Day3. Honestly, I don't really think it's interesting for the price. Top notes lime, lime peel, bergamot, ginger. Middle notes jasmine. C notes lily of the valley. Base notes coconut, musk, amber. Lime peel. I don't really get any lime. I get the C notes and I get the coconut, which is more like a sunscreeny coconut. Okay. That one's a no-go for me. I'm trying to go fast just because a lot of them. Thoros, which is one of their popular ones, I believe. Let's go ahead and pull up the notes before. That reminds me of something. It doesn't remind me of like, I don't think it's a fragrance that I've smelled before. It reminds me of like an environment or something. Something I've done before, but let's see. Yeah, sweet for sure. It smells like cinnamon or something. Okay, so top notes, pineapple, mandarin. Middle notes, plantain, cinnamon. Base notes, brown sugar, amber, honey. I wonder what the story behind this one is. I wonder if it has something to do with like Dominican Republic or something. Oh, it smells like, that's why it smells similar to Camera. That is, so it's in the remind me of section. It definitely does smell like Camera. That's true. All right, that's, yeah. It reminds me, like I haven't had Camera in like 2 years now, but it reminds me of Camera. Yeah, that's funny. That one smells exactly like Camera. For that one, I would just say by Camera, by Latita, not Kawa, just the regular one. All right, next one is Bani. Tropical, like mango. Yeah, like mango tropical. It would be in the same situation as like an Herba Pura by Xerjoff. So the notes are, so top notes are mango, bergamot, mango tree. Wild orange, middle notes are coconut, magnolia, jasmine, papaya. Base notes, white musk, and sugarcane. I would even say it smells kind of similar to Pacific Chill. Like, slightly. It's some kind of accord in there that's similar. Some people say it smells like Virgin Island water. Definitely not. As of right now, I'm kind of disappointed in this house. Well, it's not my cup of tea. I think this one would be a really good one. I like coffee fragrances. So like Latita de Cafe, which means like a cup of coffee. It says I sprayed stuff in the other videos, so I'm kind of trying to make sure I don't what's it called? I don't spray on something else. That's why I keep on smelling myself. Okay. So this is definitely gonna smell. This is, yeah. Think about like a coffee. Maybe I'll let it sit for a little bit. Blast of alcohol with the coffee, maybe like some kind of coffee liquor. But as it's drying down, it smells a little bit more sweet. Probably, I'm assuming, like brown sugar in there or something too. Oh, it's an award winner. All All right, so top notes are spices, wild orange. Middle notes are coffee, rum, caramel, rose. Base notes, brown sugar, amber, vanilla, tonka, sandalwood, ambergris. Yeah, so okay, so I was right with the coffee alcohol thing. You definitely do get the caramel, and there is brown sugar in here. I thought it was gonna be more coffee forward. I think it's more boozy forward. Yeah, it smells like a coffee, like a booze flavored coffee. Someone says this is a unique gem. To me, it's fresh, like a barbershop fresh, feeling mixed in with a coffee note. Okay. All right. So far, 3, 6, 6 I've tried, and I got 6 more to go, and I will not be buying any of these. They do have a $50 off. Basically, when you buy this, you get $50 off to buy a bottle of a fragrance, and I was hoping to really enjoy something and buy a bottle. As of right now, I don't like anything. Say Less. Let's see what this one's about. This one's going to be an iris fragrance. This smells kind of like they wanted to try to make something similar to Dior Homme Intense. Or like a Dior Homme Parfum. Which, yep, top notes, lemon, citron, bergamot. Middle notes, iris, violet. Rain notes, lychee, narcissus. Base notes, musk. Woody notes, and amber. Some people say it smells like Trench, Bal d'Afrique, Dior Homme Intense, Dior Homme Original. If you have Dior Homme Intense, don't worry about it. All right, my camera's about to overheat, so let me go ahead and speed this up. Royal Reflection. Would this be crazy if this is pretty much an inspiration of like Reflection Man? Honestly, I wouldn't doubt it. Okay, so no, it's not. Good. What was it called? Royal Reflection. I'm trying to hurry up before my camera dies and it overheats. Whatever. Maybe, yeah, rose. Okay. Passion fruit, rose, and musk. Yeah, rose fragrance. All right, this is a really disappointing haul so far. I gotta go quick, but Ambar Dominicano. This one I hope smells good. I'm not Dominican, but I'm Puerto Rican. So I'll still support my boys out in the Dominican Republic. Ambar Dominicano Daythree. A spicier version of like a Grand Soir. Maybe more cinnamon forward. Yeah, okay. So Coca-Cola Accord, I get that bubbliness. I don't like it. I don't like that Accord and other fragrances as well. Yeah, that sucks. Oh well. Island. Hopefully. All right. And honestly, this is a video I'm not going to record for the 3rd time. Whatever I get out here is what I get out. I don't think I'm going to smell these again. Vanilla Oud. I didn't smell it. Yeah, it smells like Virtus Vanilla Oud. All right. Yeah, I'm pretty sure people say it smells similar to that. Some people say it smells similar to Baby Cat. I could see it, but it smells more like Virtus Vanilla Oud to me. Yeah, I can see that. All right. Philosophia. Now she's going on the bicep. Philosophia. Philosophia. We made it so far. Smells pretty decent. Top notes: cardamom, black pepper, tobacco, oud. Base notes: hazelnut, vanilla, absolute, and chocolate. Some people say it smells like fan your flames, or it smells like a banging fragrance. Double attack.